Hello everyone, I'm Olumayowa Victor Ogunsola from iDPS Consult Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and prefer solutions. What do we do at iDPS Consult Netherlands? We are a professional consultancy firm and we offer training and professional development workshops offering courses such as effective leadership and team dynamics, effective project management principles, or personal effectiveness and emotional intelligence. Furthermore, we also offer study abroad services for international students from around the world who would like to study in the Netherlands or the United Kingdom. Why should you use our services at iDPS Consult Netherlands? When your company or you as an individual use our training services, you will get European certifications. Also, you get the option to do your training in several European cities. Furthermore, you will get a lifelong mentorship with our European expert consultants. Why should you use our study abroad services? When you use our study abroad services, your admission is guaranteed. Furthermore, we are partners with several British and Dutch universities. Lastly, when you use our services, your admission and your visa is guaranteed. How do you get to contact us? You can visit our website www.idpsconsults.com or send us an email at info@idpsconsults.com. You can pick your phone now and call us on +31 649 154 231, or lastly, you can find us on YouTube. Simply type in iDPS Consult Netherlands. Thank you very much, because at iDPS Consult Netherlands, we look forward to diagnosing your problems from the root causes and providing smart solutions. Thank you very much in English language. Thank you all from the Netherlands. Esheo from Yoruba, Lagos, Nigeria. Bye.